Are you tired of constantly buying bottled water or waiting for a filter picture to refill? Installing a drinking water faucet is an easy DIY project that gives you clean, fresh water right at your sink. And the best part? You can do it in less than an hour with just a few tools. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the process so you can install one yourself, even if you've never done plumbing before. Step 1. Gather your tools and kit. Before you start, here's what you'll need: a drinking water faucet kit, drill with a step bit, only if your sink doesn't already have an extra hole, adjustable wrench, Teflon tape for sealing threads, a small bucket or towel to catch any drips. Having everything ready before you start makes the job smoother and prevents unnecessary frustration later. Step 2. Choose the faucet location. Most kitchen sinks come with extra holes for sprayers or soap dispensers. If you have one of those free, perfect. That's where your faucet will go. If not, you'll need to drill a hole. This can sound intimidating, but it's simple if you go slow. For stainless steel sinks, use a sharp step bit and steady pressure. For granite or quartz, you'll want a diamond bit. The hole should be about ½ an inch wide to fit the faucet stem. Step 3. Mount the faucet. Now, place the faucet stem through the hole. From underneath, slide on the washers and tighten the mounting nut. Here's a tip: make sure the faucet is facing straight before you fully tighten it down. Once it's snug and secure, the faucet body shouldn't wobble. Step 4. Connect the tubing. Next, attach the tubing from your filter system to the inlet under the faucet. Push the tubing in firmly if it's a push-fit connector, or tighten the nut if your kit uses threaded fittings. Make sure the tubing has smooth bends, not sharp angles, so water flows freely. Step 5. Hook up the water supply. Now let's connect to your water line. Start by turning off the cold water valve under your sink. Place a towel or bucket underneath just in case a few drops escape. Most faucet kits include a T-adapter. Unscrew the cold water line, install the adapter, then reconnect everything. One outlet feeds your regular faucet, and the other outlet connects to your filter tubing. Step 6. Flush and test the faucet. Turn the cold water back on slowly, then open your new faucet. Don't worry if it sputters at first, that's just air escaping the lines. If you've installed a new filter along with the faucet, let the water run for 5 to 10 minutes to flush the system. While it's running, check under the sink to make sure no water is leaking. Step 7. Troubleshooting tips. If you notice weak water flow, check the tubing for kinks or make sure the filter is installed correctly. If there's a small leak, turn the water off, reseat the connection, and add Teflon tape before reconnecting. And that's it. You've successfully installed a drinking water faucet. From now on, you'll have fresh, clean water straight from the sink. No more bottled water, no more heavy jugs, and no waiting around for pitchers to filter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple DIY guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Enjoy your new faucet and cleaner drinking water.